Come on, White. Energy, energy. There you go, Vic.
Come on, White. Come on, White. Go through, go through. Great ball.
Nice, Petty. Nice, Petty.
Way to go, Petty.
Way to go, Patty. You keep doing it, girl.
Nice, Vic.
Come on.
Yep, there we go.
Go, Meg. 4-1 in there, buddy. Great shot. I got a great chair out of the deal, though. Oh, man.
Megan, are you supposed to be on alternate sides? The other guy in the red's the other side.
I know, I'm looking over there, I'm like,
He ought to be up with the play.
yeah, it's usually opposite.
What happened here? Okay, Vic, blow it in, girl. Come on, Vic. Go. Oh.
That's fine.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, White, challenge in the air. Let's go. Go wide.
Again.
Come on, guys. First touch, girls.
Gentlemen, get out to your wing. Don't go up the gut. Get out to your wing.
Go. Go, White.
Alyssa, push Emily up higher.
Good ball. Lots of time, Lex. Lots of time.
Come on. Let's go, White. Get there.
Get. It's like in a danger.
They're probably saying the same thing about us. It's a good ball.
Way to go, Lex!
High intensity, let's go! Do it again!
It would have been fun to play around with some stuff.
Yeah, it would have.
What is going on with your life here, man? Hey, 18, man. Really very happy.
Go through.
Way to go, LA. Get it done, huh? So you guys are playing good soccer? Yeah? Your family happy? Go, go! Go fast! Woo! Get Give.
Shoot. Oh! Go White, first touch.
First, yeah, out of the air.
First touch. Let's win it.
Win the air battle. Come on, Lexi P.
Let's win it, White. First touch. White ball.
Good job.
Get out of there. Stay with it.
Lots of time.
Go ahead, Lex.
Remember to keep the bobble on.
No bounce, White.
Go White. Nice, Kylie.
Corner? Lots of time, Meg. Lots of time. Talk to her.
Hey, settle. Last turn. Shoot.
Lex, stay with it, Lex.
All right. Go White. It's okay. Let's get it back.
Come on, Vic.
Oh, come on, guys. Good touches.
Way to go, Liz.
Let's go, Petty. Yeah. Nice ball. Let's go. Come on, LA.
Get them, Raw.
LA with the wheels. Huh? Parents have been feeding her straight bag at first.
Okay, let's
Wanna
get
wipe the
another
outcome?
throw in, White.
We're not sure. Yeah. Lex is being treated by the Soviet doctors. Heck of a move. Yeah, a little more aggressive. Offside. Hey, Lex, good ball.
First touch.
Good ball, Lex.
First touch, White.
Back about 2 feet if that's it.
Sure.
Nice, Lex.
Push him. Good job, Odd. Way to play tough.
I did it. I grew up in Virginia. And my school was Hi, Monica.
Oh, no. Run.
Here, come on, Monica.
That make a difference. Push him, Mike.
Come on, Penny, right through.
Come on, blow away.
Come on.
That's ridiculous.
Keep it down there, White!
Oh! Come on, Alexis.
This way, Lex! What's up?
Yeah, they're so
Come on, Dad, fight it. Great ball. Way to go, Carly.
Oh, come on, Alexis. Get some juice on it. Good shot. Get in there, Lex.
First touch, White. Come on, first touch, White.
White, come on, you need pressure on that. Get in. Get running. Get running. Now let's go.
Go, Maddie. Get in there and press them.
I'll score well for you.
Very much.
Why
Why you talk though?
Go, Vicky. Pick her up. Watch your mom. Get her, Vicky.
Hey there, Vic. What time's your game?
Go up.
Mark Yankee. Nobody gets it back. Yeah. Go, Jeannie. Big leg, girl. That a great ball.
Go White! Back post. Nice, Spartan. Good.
Go, Vic. Oh, White, win it. Go, Vic. Okay, let's stay with it.
Go White.
Natalie, go! go, White. Come on now. Grab Lance.
Okay, let's watch the game.
I saw Rick Parker right now. Hey, what's up, girl?
Call Rick Talbert.
All right. Yeah, I saw Rick right now trying to park.
Oh, did ya?
Come on, Vic. Come on, Vic.
You must thought I was asking.
Come on, Vic.
Your family got me confused with you.
Hi, do you see us? Want to say it? No?
I knew. Look, and he's out there running and acting all sharp.
We're the first trio on the run.
Do a flag.
The very first
We'll do somebody put some pads and show them. They put off those shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, but how much you got in that hair?
Eric! Come on, say hi. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, get it.
Took it one more time. Go ahead.
How are you? He's big. How is he around 5?
Come on, Vic.
Wow.
Here we go. Get it, girl.
Yes!
Yes. Oh. Right.
You hate with these girls? Running there? I saw you with a movie. They didn't see when you moving a little bit. You can move now? I like that. You weren't running like a rhinoceros. You weren't running like a cat. You weren't running like a rhino.
Have Cedar stand up in back.
See? Right up there.
Cedar stand up in back.
And stop and get your feet worked.
Oh my gosh, the way you
Get your feet worked down there.
Well, that's not our chair. These are ours. Okay. Let's get up. These are ours. These are ours. Over here, Jimmy. No, me here.
They can share with these ones.
Yes, you can listen to the lessons. Over here. Close to the tiny monkey. Big man. Man. He's not a man.
All right, White, let's move it.
Get up for getting on the
Great.
Come on. Let's go.
Whoa!
Here, look at I save it now.
Good.
This one right here.
Right over here, Mike.
Mom! Mommy!
Right here.
Go now.
Playing out there. Hey, so you guys got don't put in your footwork, you hear me? You work on your footwork when you play basketball. Spring, practice, can you hang with the big ones? Would you? You do, huh? For the next 2 years of football season.
Get it back, Vic.
So, yeah, 7th and 8th. You hear me?
Come on, Becky! Whoa.
Nice job, Nina. No, with Daddy.
Did you find parking? Yeah. Oh, she's got all those. What is it? What is it?
Yeah, I do, yeah. I get a ton of this.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the rest of this part.
You're waiting for the second half? The resting part of the vacation. Oh, the resting. I thought it was resting. The resting. Go here, go there.
Oh, did you find anybody with Wilson? I thought it was my dad.
Squeeze it, kids. Stella goes.
That's higher. That's the big one too.
A little bit less. Get some sunblock.
Go, push, push!
Push. Nice ball.
Go, Vicky, go! Go, Vicky!
Soccer too? Just all
You're in Canada. Yeah, go on, move it. Allie was looking at next time, remember it.
Remember, look, we already played it.
One more time. You already got it.
Good, Nat. Go, get it.
All right, come here. Woo! Nice catch! Look at me.
Okay, a little bit more. West Columbia?
Yeah?
Hey, baby. Go to Seattle? So
Yeah.
you want to travel, go play teams?
Yeah, you gotta go all the way around. Oscar just went that way. Oscar, there's an entrance right there?
Yeah, there's a gate there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
just
got
go all the way down and across the back.
Thank you. Not everybody.
A group, it's a group project. I'm good at it.
Hi, Rick.
Rick was hiding from me.
What?
He was hiding from me.
All ball plays, dude.
How's Nancy with her? She's good. She's good. I live about an hour north of us. That's good.
Come on, White. Kylie! Go ahead, Cody. What? Go ahead.
Melting.
Is it snowing? No, it might snow just once, but it doesn't stick out.
It's not as cool.
Eric, don't lose the little parts. Eric, hey buddy, don't tear your little guy apart.
From what?
Go.
Get it back.
Nice.
Right.
That's it.
Here you are. You got all your little girl cousins. How you let the sheriff? You let the sheriff. Nope. Alex.
You don't want to share with me.
Alex, go like this. They say, hey, buddy. You're the one right there.
No, I've got my own.
You have to catch it.
Get up, Della.
Open your mouth with
Now you don't get him back.
Come on in. Yeah, play.
Nice, Harry.
You got it.
Go now.
Come on out.
Good group. Way to go, ladies. Back in.
Come on, get. Stop.
Eric. Rick.
Hey, Rick. There we go. Let's gotta go in.
Come on.
Get in. Vicky, yeah.
How did that not go in?
Emily!
Way to go, Em.
Good luck, Chrissy.
Go one.
Go, Vicky!
High kick.
Monica, straight ahead.
I'll be here. Here, Eric, over here. Years old, right? You want to go watch Chrissy? Wait, give me the mom. No, ask Tina. It's okay. This one, yeah? So I'm taking her.
Nice run. Way on.
I can fit that many in my car. Okay. She's good in a seatbelt, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Abby.
Mine are over here.
She's number 8. Yeah, the white shirt with the number 8.
More white. More white.
You tell us when we're ready to go.
As you get going to the beach today?
Get it out, White.
Come on, White.
Nice day for it.
Work up, White.
Yeah, at least one day at the beach.
What's he doing? He's standing here.
Go to the park, bubble park tomorrow and stuff like that tomorrow.
There.
He can't see you.
Okay, but no sense whatsoever. No, everyone in the wall! Everyone! Megan, in the wall! Maddie!
Put the game away. Let's go, White. Let's go, White. Let's go, White. Let's put this thing away. Let's put this thing away. How you bet? How you bet? Come on, White. You guys gotta go. Come on, White. Good ball, good ball. First touch. She fell in. Every time she falls, you have to blow a whistle.
Oh my God!
No one touched her.
Get your mark!
Horrible. Hey, White. Come on, White.
Out.
Way to go, White. Come on, here it comes.
Wait, pick it up. Come on.
White,
Pick
here it
it
comes. Come on, Valette, get it in there. Come on, Vic. Come on, push it, White.
You were going to speed in your house in basketball? Yeah, Bo Jackson. Oh, didn't he?
Go. Come on, give it up.
They're gonna sound her.
Keep it in.
Go Avalanche!
Good hat.
Oh, that's your move.
Yeah.
Come on, Vic.
Emmy, don't get your hands
Go,
on
Vic.
my bitch. I'm sorry, what?
Your things will still be there when we get back.
Get in there. Get it. Oh.
Come on, White! Do it again!
Nice, Carson.
Come on, Vic!
Yeah, I was going to say, the only reason you get to that game is you get the reward. Other than that,
You need to go say mama.
Good job. Come on, Vic.
Go White! Yeah, Allie and Bridget. Are you going to bring them back? Do they need to come back here?
Oh my God.
Leave them at the beach.
Get on. Oh, no.
that's fine.
Yeah, we're going to go to the roller coaster beach.
Get it.
Yeah.
Where you going?
My room is later tomorrow.
To the beach. You guys going to the beach?
We're going to the beach, find Allie.
Oh, yeah, they found this guy. Keith.
Come on, Vic! Get in there, kick it!
Fill the middle.
John,
move.
Ready? No, you got 2 years. Every time I see you, you got 2 years. You got to make it up.
People are trying to rush the game.
Find a spot that you want and stick it out. It couldn't do anything until when you started. Now it can. Must have feeling like it's got to relax.
Go White!
Come on. I'm gonna get on your back. Yes. Okay. You have to go tell your mom about the phone. Get down. Go. Get down.
Give in! Oh! Give in! Give in! Way to go, ladies!
Stay with it, Vic.
I like
Way to go, Carson!
Why do they call us down? Come on, White!
Get the middle.
Keep going.
Take off, Penny, take off.
What now?
he slapped.
Gotta win it, Lissy. Let's go.
Mommy's not the careful.
Way to go, Liz! Go to the corner!
Nice. Stay with it. Hey, Dave. How much longer we got? Let's watch wherever he's looking at his watch. He's looking at his watch. Nick, shoot!
Go, Mickey! Go!
Fire, Nick! Nick, take the shot! I know it's close. It has to be.
Yeah, that was like, I think they went over.
Oscar.